Hey you guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I am iteshamarie. As y'all can see by the title, today we have an Ulta haul. I didn't get too many things, but I did get enough to film a haul with. If you guys are interested in seeing the items that I picked up and maybe like a little mini review on some of the items that I grabbed, then make sure you keep watching. All right, y'all, so let's go ahead and get into it because I have some items that I'm very excited to share with you guys. But the very first item that I'm going to share with you guys is coming from the brand Keys Soulcare, and it is their Let Me Glow Illuminating Serum. I actually was looking at a few of the Keys Soulcare items on Ulta.com, and it said that my Ulta had all of the items, but I originally went in there for this serum along with like the body cream, and they didn't have the body cream in stock, so I think I'm just gonna order it online. This serum sounds really nice. It's actually one of their newest products. It has niacinamide in it, so we know that's amazing for the skin. And it also has rose water in it, and it smells exactly like rose water. It has like that glowy effect to it, and I did try it on the back of my hand. It's super hydrating. I'm very excited to try this on like those days where I'm not wearing makeup, but I still want my skin to look nice and glowy and dewy. But I also want to try this under makeup, maybe mixed in with foundation, just to see, you know, like how it performs. I also received the face cream in one of my BoxyCharm premium boxes, and I haven't tried that yet, but I'm thinking I'm gonna pair them together just to see how they work. If you guys are interested in seeing me review some of the Keys Soulcare items, then let me know that down below in the comments. So the next item is coming from another brand that I have never tried before, and it is from the brand Kopari. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly, but this is also a new launch. This is their Ultra Restore Body Butter, and it has hyaluronic acid, prickly pear, and coconut oil. The consistency of it is really, really nice. So the consistency of it is really nice and thick. It has a very light scent and it smells like coconut, but it's not like super strong. The consistency of it seems pretty nice when I tried it on the back of my hand in store. And honestly, the reason that I picked this up is because I actually wanted to grab the Keys Soulcare body butter. I need a body butter. I ran out of my Fenty Beauty one, and I really, really do love that. And I was actually thinking about repurchasing it. But I'm like, I kind of want to try something new just because I like to try new things for myself and for you guys. So yeah, this was the one that I saw that kind of stood out to me, and it's in a pretty decent sized tub. It's 7.75 fluid ounces, and I'll let you guys know how I like it. Okay, so that was it for skincare. So let's go ahead and move on to makeup. So the very first two items that I'm going to show you guys are actually lashes. They are lashes, and they are from Kiss, and it is their Falscara lash. When I tell y'all I'm obsessed with these, like, y'all have no idea. You have no idea. Here they are. I grabbed two packs. I grabbed the Lengthening Wisp, and then I also grabbed the Natural Wispy Wisp. And as you can see, a few of them are missing, and that is because I have them on my eyes right now. I'm gonna go ahead and zoom in just so you guys can see how these look on my eyes, because they look so good. They literally look like lash extensions. Like, it looks like I went and got lash extensions done. For me, these last about 3 days after I use the bond and seal. They do have an overnighter serum that you can put on it, and it says that it lasts you up to 10 days. I have not tried that. I actually don't want to have these on my eyes for 10 days just because I want to make sure that I get my lash line and everything nice and clean. These are bomb. Like, y'all definitely need to check these out. Okay, so moving right along, because I want to spend too much more time on those lashes. I could talk about those lashes all day. Let's get into some makeup items. The real reason that I went to Ulta, because y'all know I'm a Sephora girl at heart, but Ulta announced that they would be carrying Fenty Beauty, so I'm like, what? Let me go ahead and head to Ulta. I picked up the newest launch from Fenty Beauty, which was the Fenty Icon lipsticks. I did pick up the case as well as 3 of the lippies. One of them is already in here, and the shades that I picked up are Board Member, which is like this really pretty like maroon shade. I also grabbed Major Magnet, which is a gorgeous nude. And then I also picked up Grill Master, which is this really pretty, I don't even know how to describe it. It's like a burnt orange reddish shade, but it's really, really gorgeous. So if you guys are interested in seeing how these actually look on the lips, I do have a reel up on my Instagram page, The Real iteshamarie, if you guys are not following. But yeah, I do have a reel up showing each of the shades. So yeah, again, if you want to check that out, make sure you head over to my Instagram page. I'll link it down below in the description box. And then another lippy that I picked up from Fenty Beauty was the Gloss Bomb Heat in the shade Lemon Lava. This is the newest shade that they released in the Gloss Bomb Heat, and as soon as I saw it, I knew that I had to have it. It's just a clear shade with like some gold reflex in it. Okay, and then the last Fenty item that I picked up is another cream blush. I didn't need this. This is not a new item by any means, but I do own a couple of the Fenty cream blushes and I really love them, and I've just really been loving cream blushes in general. But I just picked it up in the shade Rose Latte, and this is how it looks. It's just a really nice natural looking shade, and I wanted to add it to my collection, and so that's what I did. Another item that I picked up that is kind of newish is the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip liner, and I picked it up in the shade Cool Brown. That is how the shade looks. I actually was considering grabbing like 2 or 3 of these lip liners, but when I started swatching them, I was not really impressed with the shades on my skin. And then I also grabbed another lip liner from Juvia's Place. I love Juvia's Place lip liner formula. I got it in the shade Brownie, and I'll go ahead and swatch this one for you guys too. Looks like a reddish brown, but yeah, I love the Juvia's Place lip liners. They're cheap. The formula is top tier. I saw it while I was checking out, so I'm like, let me just go ahead and grab one of those. And then the last item that I picked up was a Juvia's Place blush palette, and this is their Blushed Volume 1 palette. And it just has this really gorgeous, this really gorgeous orange shade. I live for an orange blush, but it also has this dark fuchsia shade at the top. And while I own a few pink blushes, I don't believe I have one in my collection that looks exactly like this. So I went ahead and I got it. Like I said, Juvia's Place is very affordable, and the pigment is just, we know the pigment is going to be there with Juvia's Place. Yeah, that is what I grabbed. So yeah, that's it for my Ulta haul, you guys. Like I said, I didn't grab too many things. I feel like I grabbed just enough to put a little haul together for you guys. So yeah, that's it. As always, everything that I featured in this haul will be linked down below in the description box. So if you guys are interested in checking anything out, then just click the link down below and it'll take you right over to the Ulta website so that you can purchase if you're interested. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If you are not already, make sure that you are subscribed to the channel. If you like this type of content, please give this video a thumbs up. And thank you guys so much for watching as always, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.